joining us. I'm Dana Winkleplack.
And I'm Mike Tank. Robocalls, calls that enable telemarketers, even scammers, to dial numbers and deliver pre-recorded messages.
Yeah, we all get those, or most of us anyway, unwanted calls, even though Indiana prohibits this practice. Jen Thompson spoke to local residents about these calls and has more on what leaders are doing in the state. Jen.
Dana, Attorney General Todd Rokita has made it his mission to shut down robocall operations. This week, announcing a lawsuit against Avid Telecom, an Arizona-based company, and Rokita's fifth major case against robocallers.
7.5 billion robocalls made to telephone numbers on the National Do Not Call Registry, a violation of the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, the Telemarketing Sales Rule, as well as other federal and state telemarketing consumer laws. That's the alleged complaint Todd Rokita filed against an Arizona-based company who is said to be responsible for facilitating the calls.
I'd say on the ridiculous ones that's like overseas, I'd say we average at least 6 to 10 a month, something like that. And then, but they'll run in clusters. You might go 2 months and not get one, and then you might get 8 the next week.
In a press release, Rokita said Hoosiers are sick and tired of these annoying robocalls that not only interrupt their lives, but also violate state and federal laws.
It's just moments of life that's wasted. The biggest thing is you might be answering the phone when you're really focused on something else.
Rokita added, rest assured that we will keep going after these illegal robocallers with the same dogged aggressiveness that we've shown since day one. Do you answer calls marked as spam or from numbers you don't know?
If it says spam, then I generally don't. But if it's a number that looks, that's where they're getting smart now. You answer something with our area code or a nearby area code.
But I don't answer them.
It's kind of how the mood I'm in at the time, I guess you'd say, but I try not to answer them.
According to a press release, the company allegedly sent or transmitted scam calls representing Social Security Administration scams, Medicare scams, auto warranty scams, Amazon scams, DirecTV scams, credit card interest rate reduction scams, and employment scams.
I do have a friend, though, that she, had somebody call her and she paid a Duke bill that wasn't, she lost money.
The legal action arises from the nationwide anti-robocall multi-state litigation task force of 51 bipartisan attorneys general. That task force led by Indiana, Ohio, and North Carolina, which is investigating and taking legal action against those responsible for routing significant volumes of illegal robocall traffic.
Oh, yeah.
Both the Federal Trade Commission and the Social Security Administration's Office of the Inspector General provided investigative assistance in this matter. It's still important to make sure that you're on the do not call list. I'll have a link over on our website so you can do that, as well as a link to report any illegal robocallers and scams.